How to know if someone only sent you a Snapchat? Let's get started. First of all, launch the Snapchat application in your mobile device and make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged in now, if you navigate at the menu bar at the bottom of this interface, there are a bunch of icons. There is map icon, chat icon, search icon, profile icon, and then play icon. From there, to view if someone sent you a Snapchat, tap on this chat icon. Now in this interface, you will be able to view all the Snapchats sent in your account. If someone has sent you a Snapchat, there you will have a notification as sent and snap. For example, if this contact has sent me a Snapchat, there I will have a snap. So all you have to do is open up the snap and then see the snap sent in Snapchat. If that account has sent you a chat, then you can also view that chat from this page. So this is the way to know if someone only sent you a Snapchat, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next video.